Hey guys, I'm about to do this massive driveway. I've never done bigger driveway than this. So this is the driveway. It's a massive. Today I'm gonna do pressure cleaning. In a few days when the weather gets better, we're gonna come back and repaint it. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of concrete seal on it. So here we go guys. First I'm gonna clean all the edges with the wand. So I'm gonna show you quickly how I do joints on the concrete before painting a concrete. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the old joint. So let's do it. So this is the foam I'm using for the joints. It's a rod bracket poly foam, about 30 millimeters, 13 millimeters thickness, and it's about 50 meters length. So this is sausage number 2. When removing a tape, I make sure I keep it on 45 angle, so whatever Sikaflex is on a tape, it's gonna fall on actual joint like that. Just gonna smooth it up after I remove the tape. It's gonna be all in straight line. Always make sure your hands are clean when you do this kind of stuff, because it can get very messy. So I'm gonna smooth it up now, and that's gonna be like this. Plenty of soapy water first, and then smoothing up like that. That's it.